Have you ever felt overwhelmed managing content on WordPress or Shopify? Imagine having one tool that could simplify everything. Meet AahSheet, the AI-powered solution for all your Google Sheets needs. AahSheet is perfect for entrepreneurs, content creators, and SEO specialists who want to automate and scale their content creation without breaking the bank. Check the link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tools. AahSheet offers unlimited websites and sheets including BBMax, BlogTuner, and bulk AI images. Manage all your SEO processes in one place with ease. You can integrate with popular tools like SurferSEO, NeuronWriter, WordPress, and Shopify. Need custom functions? AahSheet has got you covered. Want to climb the SEO ladder? AahSheet allows keyword research, URL analysis, and even sitemap scraping. Imagine all this power right inside your Google Sheets. Now, listen to this. AahSheet offers a lifetime access deal. You pay once and get all future updates for free. No codes, no stacking. Just a one-time deal. Isn't that amazing? Just think about never having to worry about your content creation process again. All with a single powerful tool. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get lifetime access to AahSheet today. Scale your content with AI and elevate your business to new heights.